Okay, ladies, so we have a contest. Happy Valentine's. If you win, you get all the kisses that you can have, that you can handle. Kisses in the bag. Kiss candy, right? All right, so let's complete the check. Ready? Are you all ready for them?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, and go. Make sure everything is legible, meaning we can read it clearly.
Malia, you forgot something. You forgot
I don't want you to write your complete address, okay?
Yes.
So let's pretend your address is already up there, okay? Good job. Okay? All right. Shh. Okay, remember, you have to fill the space or I can write something in there. All right. Signature only. You all are doing great.
Oh my God.
You're doing great. Okay. So I can actually write something in there. Okay. Okay. 5, 4. I can still write something right here. 5, 4, 3, 2. Samantha? All right, both of you finished about the same time. Okay. Those are some pretty checks. Love it. Okay.